welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great, and in today's video you will be seeing some of my best products that I use and which I cannot live without. And if you are new to this channel and you're visiting this channel for the first time, let me introduce you to myself. My name is Sushma Nair. I'm an actor and designer. So welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please head to that red button and subscribe. And if you want to get notified whenever I post such videos, you can also tap that notification button, bell button. If you have done that, thank you so much. Thumbs up. So let's just begin. So first let me tell you, this video is not sponsored at all, and I'm going to talk about my favorite Ayurvedic brand, Kapiva. It's basically health related drinks, protein powder, gummies. They make so many things, and best part, it's all made in India, and they are budding emerging brand. And adding Kapiva into my daily life has changed so much. Actually, to be honest, before getting to know this brand Kapiva, in lockdown, during the lockdown, I faced so many acne issues. I even did my testing, scanning. So I got to know that I have PCOD and so many things. I suddenly started losing so much of my hair. Always I used to be asked, if I use a wig in the serial, but no, I don't use any wig and all. But yeah, I started losing my hair, my skin started getting worse, and then so many things started happening. Later when I came through this brand, I ordered one just to see a sample, which is amla and aloe vera juice, and I drank it for 1 month. I will tell you how I did those things. So I did that, and you won't believe, at least things got back to normal. Even if it didn't improve, at least it got back to normal. And now this is the second month, and I'm still able to see a lot of changes on my face and my whole body as well. Talking about the first product, it is the amla juice, wild amla juice. So this is how the packaging is. This is the second time that I purchased it, and I have not opened this, just to show you guys. I thought I'll make this video and then use it, because I already have one in my fridge. So yeah, this is the packaging. The packaging is so good. Like the first time when I saw, I was like, are you serious? Because the price of this product is really like, if you buy it in combo, it's really less. It's somewhere around 300 something. Actually, the original price here is 220, but if you buy it in combo with aloe vera juice, it's somewhere around 300 something. Okay, so the packaging is so good, like, and I don't know, everything is written in this, everything is given here. Talking about amla, as you all know, amla is so good for health, especially in boosting your immunity at this moment of pandemic and all the things going around. Immunity boosting is really important, so amla is good for that. It's good for your eye vision, it's good for skin health, it prevents aging, and then it does so many good things for your whole body. So amla is such an important thing that you need to have hereafter at least. Also, here already they have given few things, okay, which you can note why you need to drink this juice. It's because it contains vitamin C, absolutely, boost immunity, absolutely, anti-aging, yes, like I told you, helps strengthen hair follicles. It's really important, and this has really helped me. So aids weight loss, which is really good, which we needed, and even boosts metabolism, which a lot of people struggle, including me. I have very low metabolism. This has changed. Honestly, I'm not just making it up. Don't think I'm making all these things up. No, I'm not making it up. It has helped me. That's why I'm doing this video even. Okay, let me open it. They give you, wait, let me show you. Okay. So it comes like this. Okay, it's a bottle which looks like this. You can see the colors. The color, as time passes, it changes, but whatever the ingredients, because it's natural, Okay, no extra things are added in this, no color is added, so that is why the color changes. So don't get scared or anything, nothing like that. And then you can use this every morning. What I do, I pour little, complete like 30 ml, put it in a glass of water, fill some more water, add amla juice, add aloe vera juice also with the same quantity, and I drink it empty stomach. Every morning I do this, and it has really got a great difference. So coming to aloe vera juice, again, aloe vera, it's a very gummy thing. You can directly use it on your face, hair and all, but they say it's more effective when you drink aloe vera. So telling you about the benefits of aloe vera, it has all the vitamins: vitamin B, vitamin B2, B6, B12, vitamin C, and it has so many good things in it for skin and hair, cools your scalp, and also treats hair loss. Apart from that, it builds up on your scalp, helps in the circulation of the blood, and helps improve the growth of your hair. So this product into your tummy every morning, or just 30 ml of quantity, is going to make so much changes that I can guarantee you, if you have my type of body or something, or health condition, I think it should give a difference. If not, you can stop using. I'm not forcing anybody, okay? So talking about the benefits of drinking this juice every day is, I'll tell you. I'm going to read it out. Helps repair dead skin cells, okay, providing natural healthy glow of skin and hair, which we all want. Micronutrients helps in resisting illness and boosting immunity. Again, this product also will help in boosting immunity. Breaks down sugar and fats, helping digestion. Okay, helps reduce fat, supports liver health, and it's all natural. Like you can see, there is pulp of aloe vera. So when you drink it, it's going to be very bitter. You might not like it, you might hate it, but it's healthy, and you might get the pulp of aloe vera as well. Or it's a harder, like amla juice I can drink, but this one I can't do that. How to use this is, again, shake bottle before you use, because the pulp settles in the bottom, so it has to mix up well. And then take 30 ml. You get a cap along with this. I missed it somewhere. Okay, anyways, 30 ml of this juice and 30 ml of water. If you're drinking only this, then this is the procedure. If not that, you can take 30 ml of aloe vera juice, 30 ml of amla juice, mix it in a glass of water, add salt, sugar or honey, anything which you like, and gulp it. That's so easy. Okay, this is what I do, and this is how my day begins with Kapiva. Diabetes, and he has just started with it, so I feel, and seeing the review, so I thought it is going to really help, so I believe the same. And I asked him about the taste, and he said it's little bitter. This contains jamun, amla, karela and much more, which all these things are very very good for diabetes, to control the sugar level in the body. And this juice, okay, why you need to drink this juice? Why drink Kapiva Diya free juice is because helps keep sugar levels in check. Okay, loaded with fiber, calcium, iron, it supports heart health, which is really important for diabetic patients. Contains antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that helps treating skin problems. Okay, vitamin C, yeah, helps control viral infections. Natural products, yeah, again it's all natural. Again, the same thing my dad does is he takes 30 ml of this juice, mixes with a glass of water, add some salt, sugar, honey, anything of his like, and he mixes and he drinks every morning empty stomach. And then after that, 1 hour after that, he has breakfast. So this is the first thing that my dad does. And for my mom, she has BP. Recently she got it, so I got her also another product called BP Sure Juice, which controls blood pressure. So again, in this she has seen difference. So she told me when initially we tested for her BP, it was she used to feel dizzy the whole day or something, but later because of the tablets that she was taking, it was under control, but still we were very scared. Then when I got this, she has used it 1 month now and she is seeing the difference. Okay, it contains Jatamansi, Rudraksh and much more, and it supports heart health with 5 potent herbs. Why drink Kapiva BP Sure juice? You should know this because its combination of herbs supports fight hypertension. Okay, Rudraksh is known for its cardioprotective properties and it helps fight heart disease. This is really important. The juice therapeutic properties help in releasing pent up stress and anxiety. So BP, blood pressure, yeah. Blood pressure is mainly because there's too much rush of blood happening in your body, and it's because of the hypertension that you know when you get really tensed or something too much happening to you, and the heart and the brain doesn't, that's when this rush happens in your body. So these are the sometimes you might get it genetically, or sometimes you might get it because of the stress that you take, and it depends. Okay, but whatever it is, Ayurvedic things that goes into your body, it also soothes your soul and mind and it relaxes you. That's what I feel. I see sometimes there are days when you feel very angry, very stressed, but when you eat something at that particular time, you feel so good, so calm and so comfortable. So that's how I think even these products works in our body, and it supports sleep and energy. This part, yeah, the sleep and energy is so there for sure. I can see evidently my mother always being so active, touch wood. But yeah, this has really changed my mom's blood pressure level. So I would again suggest you having this. Also, how she uses it is she takes again 30 ml of this juice and in a glass of water pours it, and she drinks it with honey and a little bit of lemon is what she told me. So it makes her taste a little more better. So this is all the juices that I've got from Kapiva, and for me it has been very effective. For my mother it has been. For my dad we should wait for another 1 month, but I'll definitely update on my Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is sushmanair07. மம்மி எல்லாருக்கும் ஹாய் சொல்லுங்க.
ஹாய் எல்லாருக்கும்.
ஓகே, ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து அந்த பிபி ஷோர் ஜூஸ் குடிக்கிறீங்களா கப்பிவாலேருந்து? ஸோ அது உங்களுக்கு எப்படி எஃபெக்டிவாக இருக்குது கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறீங்களா?
கப்பிவா பிபி ஷோர் ஜூஸ் வந்துட்டு நான் 1 மாசமாக தான் குடிக்கிறேன். பட் எனக்கு அது தோணுது கொஞ்சம் நல்லா எஃபெக்டிவா இருக்கு. ஏன்னா ஜஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் மந்த் தான் எனக்கு பிபி இருக்கு சொல்லிட்டு கன்ஃபார்ம் ஆயிடுச்சு. டாக்டர் கிட்ட போனோம், அவங்க டேப்லெட்ஸ் கொடுத்தாங்க. அந்த டேப்லெட்ஸ் ஒரு 10 days தான் சாப்பிட்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் என் பொண்ணு சுஷ்மா எனக்கு ரெஃபர் பண்ணா, இல்லை மம்மி நம்ம கப்பிவா ஜூஸ் ஒரு வாட்டி ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க, நான் கூட நிறைய ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வாங்கியிருக்கேன், எனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது, நீங்கள் ஒரு வாட்டி ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ பிபிக்கு இருக்குது, சுகருக்கு இருக்குது, சரிம்மா ட்ரை பண்ணலாம் சொல்லிட்டு வாங்கிட்டு 1 மாசமா குடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கிறேன். ஸ்டார்டிங்ல கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு ஸ்டமக் அப்செட் ஆயிடுச்சு அதில் 2 days. அப்புறமா குடிச்ச அப்புறமா ஸ்டார்டிங் எனக்கு 190/100 100 இருந்தது பிபி ஸ்டார்டிங் நம்ம செக் பண்ணும்போது. அப்புறமா 15 டேஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் குடிச்சு பார்த்தா 140 80 ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ நேற்று செக் பண்ண அப்புறம் 120 ஆயிடுச்சு. இது ஆல்மோஸ்ட் நார்மலாக இருக்கு என் பிபி. ஸோ எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. நான் மற்றவங்களுக்கு கூட இது ரெஃபர் பண்ணுறேன். ஏன்னா டேப்லெட் சாப்பிட்டா நம்மளுக்கு உடம்புக்கு அவ்வளோவா எஃபெக்ட் ஆகாது சீக்கிரமாக. டேப்லெட் லைஃப் ஃபுல்லாக சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருக்கணும். பட் கபிவா ஜூஸ் ஐ திங்க் ரொம்ப பெஸ்ட்டு ஒரு ஆயுர்வேதிக் சிரப்பு. ஸோ இதில் நம்மளுக்கு எந்த ஹெல்த் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸும் ஆகாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ எனக்கு அது பிடிச்சிருக்கு. இப்போ தான் 1 month ஆகுது அது குடிக்கிறது ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு. 3 month அவங்க கேரண்டி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. மீன்ஸ் 3 month குடிச்சா போதும், அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணலாம் சொல்லிட்டு. பட் இஃப் இதிலே எனக்கு கிளியர் ஆகிட்டே இருந்தால் நான் வந்து அதே கண்டினியூ பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கிறேன்.
The apple cider vinegar which I wanted to add in my daily routine. So I found this cute gummies on Kapiva. And this is 700 rupees, but you will get it for discount. It comes in this really cute little, toffee packets, and it is
really tasty. Like you can. It's very handy also.
It is very handy also. You can put it in your bag and you can take it. It's very travel friendly. And as you all know, apple cider vinegar these days it's trending so much that people are having the apple cider vinegar directly. But apple cider vinegar is kind of sour or something, so I didn't like the taste of that. That's why I got these toffees for me. So as you know, it helps in boosting immunity, it helps in weight loss main the tastiest way of helping you in the process of weight loss. I'm not saying that if you eat this you lose weight. No, it's like it will help you in the process of losing weight. So this apple cider vinegar and this product has all the types of vitamins in it, all the types of vitamin B's in it, vitamin B1, B2 and B6, which is really important for your skin as well. And these gummies are pink in color, so today I didn't have one, so this box or this tin has totally 30 gummies in it, and they actually recommend you have 2 in a day, but I have only 1 in a day because already we are taking too many things, so I thought just 1 enough. This is the color and it is so like smooth, like jelly kind of thing it is, and it has all natural ingredients, no artificial colors. It's beetroot tint is only used in this, and the taste is really good. And one more thing, this gummy is gluten free and gelatin free. It's completely out of all the natural ingredients that is so gummy and so tasty. Apart from that, no extra added thing. So moving on to the next and the final product from Kapiva is this my favorite. It is for my aromatic therapy which I recently started. It is sandalwood essential oil. Actually I have very big problem of not sleeping on time. I'm a night owl. I can stay late until so long, but I can't sleep early, I can't wake up early. This is the biggest problem that was affecting my skin and hair. But recently I've started using this. What I do when I steam, I put a very small drop of this and then take steam. Either you can do this, I do this, but I don't know if it is recommended. Other than that, this is the best thing that you can do when you take bath in the hot water or something. You can put 1 drop of this and you can mix. You'll also feel very aromatic and refreshed, and it will also help you in stimulating the cells that boost you, like it makes you feel sleepy. So it's like an aromatic therapy. Okay, apart from that you can apply it on skin but not directly. Okay, you need to mix this. So this is how the product looks. Okay, you can mix this along with the moisturizer or whatever it is. Mix it and then use it. Or if you want to massage it, you can also massage using this. Buy a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. You can mix few drops, like 3 drops of this into coconut oil and massage your hand and legs, back, neck, face. It also helps in improving glow of the skin. There's so many essential oils in the market, but I chose sandalwood is because I love the fragrance of sandalwood, and it's so Ayurvedic. It's so a lot of people from the olden ages, they used to use this product, and it is a natural scent, they say. And you can even use this product as a scent. Like you can mix this product into some water and leave it for ferment it for few days or something, and then you can start using. Or you can take a little bit of this product and you can apply it back of your ears or in your hand, and you can often smell it. So when you go out, you can look and you can feel positive with good essence and good fragrance around your body. That's about the essential oil that I got from Kapiva. So I hope this video would have helped a lot of people. If you're buying from Kapiva, these are my picks, and if you have tried anything from Kapiva, please let me know. Or if you're planning to buy something of these, then after you use it, definitely let me know how it is effective in your life. And these things have helped me in making my lifestyle little more easier and better. Or else, where do we have time to go get amla, make juice out of it, go get aloe vera, go make juice of it? We don't have time for that. So this is a source towards good health, good lifestyle. Like I told you in the previous video on my Vega thing, that I'm trying to make everything natural in my life. So these are my little initiatives that I've been taking, and I hope it will help you all. I hope this video is very informative, and you will try using these things, and let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, bye. Love you. Peace.
பண்றீங்களா?
கபீவா ஜூஸ் வந்துட்டு
சொல்லுங்க.
கேட்கறியா?
போலோ.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இப்படி நான் வேற மாதிரி நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன் एक्चुअली.
என்ன வேற மாதிரி? சரி சொல்லுங்க. नमस्कार.
नमस्ते.
बोलिए जो आपको बोलना है, जो ये बीबी श्योर जूस है ना, उसके बारे में जो भी है आपको बोलने का बोलिए.
कपीवा बीबी श्योर जूस जो है, हेलो
हेलो हेलो हेलो हेलो हेलो யாருங்க? हेलो कोई स्पीकिंग? हेलो हेलो हेलो
இது ஜூஸ் में सिर्फ ले सिर्फ சொல்லிட்டு
ठीक है.
हां
आयुर्वेदिक सिरप है. जूस है. तो इसमें
Sometimes everything just gets hard.